Hello everyone and welcome to Tiny to Do. Today is our day 4 of summer camp, and today, as I told you, we are going to do origami, bunny origami, right? I hope all of you have got your origami sheets or printer sheets or any kind of sheets that is available to you or you can find at home, right? Okay, if you haven't already checked out day 3, go and do that because that's a very interesting activity of paper bag dolls. I hope you will check it out and you have created them also. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's get started. Okay, if you have origami paper, you can use that. If you don't have that, then you can use any paper. Okay, just I am doing it now with a magazine paper to show you, just to show you how we can use any material to make this. The main idea is to follow the steps. Okay, so I am taking this simple paper from a magazine and making it into a square. So I just want this much of a square. Okay, you don't want it too big, and then I am going to cut the extra part. If you can do it yourself, well and good. Otherwise, tell your parents to give it to you. Okay, this magazine paper. Okay, so let's get started. When you are so first with this square, we are going to make this square into a triangle by folding it half like this. Okay, and don't forget to make all your edges pointy. Okay, I hope you understand pointy. Okay, so this is how they should look, pointy. They should not go like this. Okay, it should be pointy like this. Right, now we will fold the triangle one more time like this. Okay, so now we have got a small triangle. Now we'll open this. So what we have got is, we have got this line in the center. Now keep your pointy edge. Okay, so this is the biggest line and this is the pointy thing. So now keep your paper like this. This pointy side should be up and the big line should be towards you. Now we are going to fold this like this. Okay, try to make all your folds nice and crisp and press them nicely like I am doing. Okay, otherwise your bunny will not look nice. So see what we have got. Okay, are you with me till here? Let's go on. Okay, now we will take this thing, okay, here and fold it like this. Can you see this? I have folded this part. I folded this part like this. Okay, I am going to do the same thing with this part also. So again, I am going to take it to the center line. And don't forget to make all your edges pointy. Okay, so second part also I have done it like this. Okay, and see, if you can see, all my edges are pointy. This is pointy, this is pointy, everyone is pointy. Okay, are you with me till here? Now we are going to fold. There is this one plain side and there is one folded side where these flaps are opening. We are going to use this side now. So this side we are going to fold like this. Okay, nicely we are going to fold it, and see, it is looking like this now. Now we will keep it in the front. Okay, now we are not using this side, open up side, we are using the plain side. So plain side is up now, and we are going to fold it like this. Okay, can you see this small triangle? Now we will fold this triangle inside. Okay, there is this part which is opening up, so we will put this triangle inside this, like this. Can you see this? Easy? I think you are with me this till here. Okay, so the shape of the bunny is here. Now what we are missing is the eyes and the nose and the mouth of the bunny. So I am just taking a pen. You can take any pen, any marker or anything. If you have googly eyes, you can put googly eyes. That will make it look cuter. Okay, I don't have googly eyes, so I am just coloring it with a marker, or you can just cut it out of a paper and do it. Okay, and then I am making a nose. You can use a triangle for the nose. You can see this for the pattern. Eyes, nose and the mouth. And of course a bunny cannot be without this. Just to add on, I am putting this pink marker, right? So yes, here is my bunny. So you can see different types, different papers that I've used. Okay, so this is done with origami sheet. If you have this, well and good, use origami sheet only. Otherwise, this is a simple white paper, printout paper that I've used. And then this is a magazine sheet paper. Okay? Okay, so that was it for today. Hope you enjoyed the activity and you have made your cutie, adorable bunnies. For more origami activities, you can check out the channel where you'll find more of origami activities. Right? For tomorrow, we have an activity of recycle art. So do stick by, stay tuned to the channel, and stay home, stay safe, stay creative.